Hey, how's it going, everyone? And today we're going to be talking about one topic, and that's getting traffic from Reddit. Doesn't matter if you need traffic to your YouTube video, to your website, to your Shopify store, maybe for affiliate marketing. Doesn't matter. It's all the same idea up here. And so we're going to go way in depth in that with a little bit of strategy, know-how, and some examples in a bit. But first off, I'm Kurt Hamel. You can find me at kurthamel.com, my Instagram, all my doobly-doo stuff down there. Check it out. I do online marketing for a living. It's my love, my passion, and I want to share some of the stuff I've learned, especially with Reddit backlinks for clients, with you today. And so when I say backlinks, that's kind of an SEO term, right? Let's just dive straight into it. That means like a link from another website that is getting backlinked to your website. That's what it traditionally means in the SEO field. When we're talking about getting traffic from Reddit, that can mean a lot of things. That can mean you going to our videos, posting your video, it going huge, going viral, getting a shit ton of traffic back to your video. That can mean going on a very niche subreddit, not paying for ads. We're talking about organic content marketing, right? Getting that on that niche subreddit, getting it upvoted, and then getting a lot of backlinks or clicks from that post to your Shopify store, your Amazon affiliate link, whatever it actually is. That is what we're talking about today, right? And so now first, you're like, Kurt, does this cost a lot of money? No, it doesn't cost anything. This is totally free, totally organic. What it does take is time, effort, and learning about Reddit, right? A lot of people just they'll post the video, it'll end up with 0 because the bots on Reddit will downvote it immediately. They'll forget about it. They'll be like, fuck, this is way too hard. No, it's really not that hard. That's what I'm trying to tell you. What you need is to start small. A lot of people just start for like our videos. You have to understand how many, everyone is getting up there for their advertisements basically. They have a bot farm. Reddit will never admit this. Reddit won't tell it it's true, but that's so true. Like user like Gallowboob, he has an army at his disposal of marketing firms. You know, McDonald's, Domino's, Wendy's, they pay firms and agencies to make sure their stuff is going up and yours is going down is the important part. Go post something somewhere, it'll immediately get downvoted. You want to know why? Because there are teams of people downvoting it immediately, even if it is the best content in the world. So with that in mind, you're like, oh, wow, that is a lot, right? I have to fight McDonald's, Domino's. No, you have to fight them on the big giant subreddits. Really, if you're just starting out with this, trying to get links, you should really focus on the niche subreddits. Unless, which I do not recommend because it is technically against the Reddit terms of service and you will get banned. So I'm not recommending this, but this is what the large corporations do, that you have a lot of accounts under your disposal and you have your stuff getting upvoted, right? That being said, if you do go that route, that's a whole nother conversation. Talk to me. I can help you out with that, but that is totally against the rules. I don't really do that. I help with more of the strategy and the consulting side. I would not recommend it. It'll get you banned from Reddit. But that is what you're competing against out there on the big subreddits. Now, that's being said, let's say you're doing affiliate marketing, right? Now, what you will want is like Reddit. Oh, wait, sorry. Let's talk about this subreddit. Of course, that's a thing, right? So this is a smaller niche subreddit. It's still huge, 525K. But there's like 7 subreddits these days that are over 20 million subscribers. So it's relatively small, but it is huge for traffic. Let's look at some of these, right? Oh man, look at this. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Where can I buy one? Great example, right? 4.7 thousand upvotes on this sub with 284 people online right now. That's a ton. Wow, look at first comment. Not sure if you actually want to know where to get one, but here you go. Oh, weird. It's not even just an Amazon link. It's an affiliate link. Huh. Bizarre. That's weird. Why didn't they just link a normal Amazon link? Why is it this whole... oh, you can't see it on my screen. It pops up. But it goes to this affiliate link up here, right? Yeah, that's no mistake. This is an affiliate marketer that did a great job, right? They got this thing up there. 4.7 thousand upvotes. That probably means like, almost 50,000 people saw this today. If you saw their Amazon Analytics, it would show you Actually, I don't know if they get. Well, you can't like install Reddit Pixel with Amazon Analytics, but either way, it would show you a lot of traffic coming from Reddit. If you could see where that traffic was coming from through cookies and tracking and stuff, Reddit would. They've made a ton of sales. Let me just tell you right now. Though it is sad that it's only European deliveries, you can't order to the United States. Right here, that's kind of dumb on their part. Why waste that time and effort? They probably still made a ton of sales in Europe and the EU. But or maybe it's just England. I don't know. UK only. Yeah, that's kind of dumb. But look at this. Like, how little effort do you think they put in here? They have like a few people upvote that. This is like horrible quality. I mean, it goes along, but wow. Now, that being said, that's just one example of what's going on, right? Obviously, there's a lot of stuff on here. Not everything on here is an ad, but you have to make sure you have that mindset when you're on Reddit that everything could be an ad. Obviously, I don't think whoever makes magnetic cover lifters is doing an ad, right? That is most likely a city contract thing, and the thing itself is kind of useless. But things like this is definitely an ad. Like, someone put it there. There's an affiliate link from that post, right? The first top-rated comment. And no one even questions it. That's the craziest thing. They're complaining that they couldn't even order it in the US. As long as you're not like pushing shit down people's throat, they will eat you up. Like, people understand that. Like, especially if you're selling like an affiliate marketing or a Shopify thing. Oh my God. Reddit is a gold mine. If you're ignoring free traffic, thousands and thousands of people a day, you're just being dumb. Now, you're like, Kurt, yeah, well, what are you talking about, man? I don't sell things. I have a YouTube channel. I mean, like, let's think it's like game dev, Reddit, what the hell is it called? All right, let's look at this. Let's look at the top posts. I'm just coming off the top of my head. Bear with me here for a second. And so, game dev, right? You're like, Kurt, but this is just an example. There's so many niche subreddits out there. Your niche is there somewhere, right? Past 24 hours. Let's go past month. Now, like, right? Maybe this isn't the best, but like these are people like indie devs or something like that, like posting stuff. Now, these guys can't get on our gaming and stuff like that, or the big subs and stuff like that. Even PC gaming might be harder, but you can get your stuff here real quick. You can get out here really easy. Like, look at this is the top months. These are kind of bigger ones. But like, and that's the thing, you don't have to be the top, right? You only have to get like top of something. Really should sign into my account so you don't have to look at ads. But like, this guy probably got a ton of posts in there. And look at 212 points on our gaming, but 625 points where he's more on the top of this niche sub. So like, don't go for the big thing, right? Go for the smaller thing to start. And I'm not saying never go for the big thing. Obviously, once you have a following, once you're there, go for the big subreddits. Get some bots or something. Do it. Other people are. Fuck it. Or they're breaking all these Reddit terms of service, and Reddit doesn't care. That's probably the worst thing. Honestly, I wouldn't feel bad about telling people about this kind of stuff, but Reddit has made it like so obvious as of recently. Especially with the Galaboob stuff going on. They literally could care less about anything other than the bottom line. Let me just tell you that. Though I think in the long term, it's going to hurt the bottom line. That's a whole nother discussion. I've talked in other videos. Check them out. If you're liking what I'm talking about so far, I'm going to keep going into some more examples. Feel free to please like and subscribe, by the way. Smash that like button. You know, all that kind of stuff. All right. And then one other thing. Like, let's say, like, what if you're not? What if you're in the service industry? What if you're like me and you do online marketing and stuff? What would you do? Well, I would go to Entrepreneur, right? There's so many people that post like these freaking. Now, this isn't going to get you a ton of traffic, but even imagine a few hundred people a day, right? Let's say that. That's pretty good traffic, right? If you're going from zero and it's so little competition, that's what you got to think. Yes, you can get more traffic from the bigger subs, but there's more competition. If you're going to a small niche sub, you'll not get as much traffic, but you will guaranteed, basically, if you make good quality things, literally going to go to the top of that page for like a month or two. I have like a few side things that are in niche pages that like literally get like a post a day, but have a lot of web traffic going to these subreddits that I am the top post on for a few things on some accounts. And that like, people always think like, listen to this. This says 1.2 thousand upvotes, right? That is not the number you will care about. The number you care about is this. Wow, there's 2.1 thousand online. The ratio of logged in accounts versus people that just came to this subreddit from Google is out of this world. So there's a lot of people on here right now that are not logged into accounts. They're not upvoting, they're not downvoting. They're just looking for this good content, right? This guy right here, how I made blah, 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 blah. Oh, here, look at the bottom. And so he got 2.3, blah, blah, blah. He's putting in good content there, a little story. Not even really that much. It is literally like a quick 2-minute read. And then boom, here is my story. If you might enjoy my podcast. Oh, there's the plug. There is the traffic. So he is getting traffic from Reddit from literally on this niche subreddit. He probably got a few hundred subscribers to his podcast from this post. And it's still the top of the month. People are still seeing this when they're coming in from Google and stuff like that. This is a big thing. Like, you don't have to go big. You don't need the home run. Just keep hitting singles like week after week. Make some content for Reddit, and you are going to win the game. Some sports analogies. That was my big football analogy right there. Go Red Wings. But yeah, there's just so much potential for traffic on Reddit. I talk to so many people all the time, and they complain about like our videos, and it's like, yeah, if you hit it big on our videos, what's going on our videos? Oh, there's Geico. And like, obviously this is like reiterating content. Like if you want to talk about, and all this comes with great content. You need to be making amazing content for this stuff, right? The better the content, the more it'll just go organically. This guy, Gus Johnson, right? He is on here all the time. He literally uses this. He has like almost 1 million subscribers on YouTube. They've all come from here starting. Now, once he gets them on the YouTube, you're in his loop, but he gets more all the time. Every video he publishes is a top video on our videos. He has his followers coming here. Yeah, but like I say, if you have a lot of followers, great. Our videos is great. If you can get people to upvote you really quick, it is a war on that our new page. Let me just, I don't know if you can see it if it's not your own post. I'm not even logged in, but there's a lot of posts. This is our videos. I mean, we're at 12:32 Eastern time right now, though. It's late, yeah. Burning that midnight oil here, but like people will do stuff like, so they will upvote all the shitty videos basically and downvote all the good videos and upvote theirs obviously even more with maybe multiple accounts. I'm not saying to do this once again, but I'm saying that is the competition you're facing. It's cutthroat on our videos. But you need, like, basically, Gus Johnson, I bet a lot of his subs see that or know it got published from Twitter or YouTube and go to Reddit immediately and upvote that. Even if you had like 20 people on our videos, boom, that's going to make such a difference. Imagine if you had 10 people immediately upvoting you for this dog thing back here. Wow, another world, right? Beyond that, that's just the ideas I really wanted to get into today, right? Oh, sorry, there's some notes. But just basically more users, more conversions, more sales, just building that brand, whatever you're trying to do. Make sure this is part of your funnel. It shouldn't be the only thing you're relying out there. You need to do your SEO, your pay-per-click, basically your content marketing, your email marketing. This is just part of your marketing funnel, but it is becoming more and more important. And it's just like so easy once you learn how to do it compared to other things, right? I just wish more people would know that. So really, if you like the content today, please give me a little thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'm going to keep making more stuff like this. We're going to get more in depth. We're going to get better. And beyond that, just really think of gaining traffic from Reddit. Like you can do so much, right? Like this whole subreddit. Go through, of course, that's the thing. I think it's my favorite thing. It's like, I think they call, of course, that's an ad because that's what it is. Oh, also, of course, go to Hail Corporate. If you don't know what Hail Corporate is, one last plug. This is it. I will see you guys again next week. Literally, this is people calling out ads, but holy shit. If you are a marketer, you can literally get to see so many good ads, especially if you sort, top 24 hours, past month. Like literally, it is ad central. Get so many good ideas. Get them in your brand. Learn from these people that are doing stuff. These are like literally people get paid for a living to do these marketing. Hail Corporate is literally a guidebook a lot of the time. Of course, that's the thing. Like once you start seeing the marketers on here, you'll notice that half of Reddit is marketing, right? On some subreddits, some other stuff. Like if you're in a specific video game niche sub, it's just about the video game. But a lot of the time, and even then, you'll see the content marketers that play that game, marketing themselves. Really, you can get so much traffic from Reddit. That's the end of the day. Get out there, start with little things. Literally get downvoted a bunch of times. There's no negative, like, what's the worst thing that happens? You get less traffic? No, they're not gonna take away your traffic. Just go start posting bullshit. Try to make content. Get out there. Get started. All right, I will see you all next time. Thank you so much.